Hello everyone. Welcome to WorkinTool. Today, I'll show you how to make a PDF Fillable on desktop. Open the official website of WorkinTool, enter the product page of PDF Converter and click Download. After installing, open the WorkinTool PDF Converter. Find Convert to from PDF and click on the PDF to Word button. Select or drag the PDF files that you want to edit. Then select the Save path, click Convert, and the modified file will be saved to your computer. After the conversion is complete, click Open File to check and edit the converted file. Then open the software again and select Word to PDF to recover the file format to PDF. Here is the result of making a PDF Fillable and then editing it with WorkinTool PDF Converter.